Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Mate 20X, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into recovery mode. To get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options we're gonna select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power button and volume up at the same time. When you see the logo, let go of the power button. And as you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. Here we have a recovery mode in a completely wrong language for some reason. This looks like Spanish, I think. But basically, we have a couple options. First one, I think, boots us back into Android, which is basically a reboot option. We have safe mode as the last option. I know that for certain. This is, I think, factory data reset, and this would be power off in this case. So in any case, I'm going to select the first one, and if I'm correct, this will reboot the device. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.